Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. In this video, we'll talk about all the hidden features of OxygenOS 13.1, which was released for OnePlus 10 Pro. And all the features which I'll be mentioning in this video, 99% of them will make through other OnePlus devices which will be getting OxygenOS 13.1. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. So here we have our OnePlus 10 Pro. First of all, let me show you the software information. If you go to About section, here you can see OxygenOS version is 13.1, which is running on a OnePlus 10 Pro. We'll side by side compare this feature with our OnePlus 11 and on our OnePlus 9 series. 9 series is running OxygenOS 13, but some of the features of OxygenOS 13.1 are already present on OnePlus 11, which is running OxygenOS 13.0. And guys, before moving ahead, if you guys like our content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also make sure to subscribe our channel. That will motivate us in making better quality content. So first, let's start with the home screen itself. So there are some minor changes which you guys won't find it in the changelogs but are present on OnePlus 10 Pro. For example, return of uninstalled tab on the home screen icons is now back with OxygenOS 13.1. Here we have our OnePlus 11, and if we long press on the same application, you can see uninstall tab is missing here on OxygenOS 13.0. And the next change is return of pocket mode, or you can say pocket mistouch prevention. This feature was removed on some of the devices. For example, here we have our OnePlus 9 with OxygenOS 13.0. If we go to launcher settings and scroll down, you can see there is no option of pocket mistouch prevention. But this feature you can find it on OnePlus 11, which is the latest flagship. As I told you guys, some of the features of OxygenOS 13.1 are already present on OnePlus 11. Previously we used to see app prediction, but now it's changed to suggested apps. Some minor tweaks have been done under the quick setting tiles also, and one of the example is now instead of only keyboard, we have the option of change keyboard. Here you can see previously it was only keyboard, but now it's been renamed to change keyboard. Though the option pops up are similar by tapping on that quick setting tile. Also talking about another change in the quick setting tile, and that's related to the flashlight. So if I turn on the flashlight, you will see a different type of notification compared to 13.0. So this is how it used to appear on previous build, which was 13.0, and on 13.1 it appears with some UI changes. Towards the right hand side we have the power button to turn off the torch, but on the previous build you can see we had the text which says turn off. After that, some minor tweaks have been done when you slide the volume slider. So here you can see now two icons are different. One is of ringtone and the second one is of notification. This is how it used to appear on previous build, and this is how it appears on newer build, which is 13.1. Talking about the next change, and that's in the OnePlus Shell. So now we have the ability to add the recorder tile in the OnePlus Shell, from where you can start the recording and you can also place marks. This wasn't present on 13.0. Moving on to the next change, which is related to gallery. So now gallery have also got some minor tweaks. So if you go to settings under compatibilities, previously there was only one option which was convert images for sharing. So here in this case, device used to convert HEIF format to JPEG so that that particular picture can be viewed on every smartphone. But now we have got a new add-on which says convert videos for sharing. So if you record HDR videos, because HDR videos do have huge size, you can enable this feature. The device will automatically convert those videos to SDR. Later you can share it with your friends. Then moving on to the settings page. So here also some minor changes you'll notice. Instead of this clear text, now we have a bin icon besides the search history. So a minor change, but yes, it's a noticeable change from 13 to 13.1. Next, if you go to wallpapers and style under color section, now we have an additional option called featured color. Previously there were two options. One was wallpaper color picking and the second was custom colors. But now we have an option of featured color, from where you can select multiple color palettes for your system theme. Then under connection and sharing, if you go to screencast, here there is an option called smart notification, which wasn't present on 13.0. OxygenOS 13.1 also brings multi-screen connect feature. So this feature will automatically connect your device to the nearby devices signed in to a similar account. And this auto connect feature is only available on devices running OxygenOS 13.1. And the next change is with the Zen mode. So here we have two options now. One is Deep Zen and the second one is Light Zen. Talking about the next change, so next minor change you guys will notice under about section. If you go to storage, now there are two new tabs called recently deleted and others. I think it was available on some or the other build, I don't remember, but recently deleted option have been added with OxygenOS 13.1. And the last feature what they have added with OxygenOS 13.1 is this new champion mode, which says this mode will improve the performance, also disabling notification calls and other messaging to give you a immersive gaming experience. I personally did not find any noticeable change after enabling this feature. In a review video, we have tested out 3 games, and in none of the games my OnePlus 10 Pro was able to deliver maximum FPS, even on OxygenOS 13.1. And later they added this music controller option. Might be useful for some users who likes to listen music while gaming. And guys, one thing which OnePlus have removed as far as I know, because a lot of users have been complaining about it, that's the option of hiding application. People says they have removed on OxygenOS 13 for OnePlus 8T and OnePlus 9R. So I'm not sure about it, but if you talk about OxygenOS 13.1 for OnePlus 11 series and OnePlus 10 Pro, so then this option is present. So guys, these are all the features which we have found out on OxygenOS 13.1, which is running on our OnePlus 10 Pro. If we have missed out anything, then do let us know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.